bullet came on the top of the bridge. Do you know what it is? It exploded there. Yeah, that was just fun to clean up. And then he has to, I go away this water container slide. I go into the fridge because it's still clean. I open the fridge. The way he was talking that it wasn't water, which was good. I crushed the situation. It was a good thing that happened. It was clean.